So we gotta figure out which tank we want to get now, since the other tank we have is too small and the fish is kind of cramping. Now we realized, damn, they want that 300. Shish. Gonna fit in my car. This one nice though. It ain't gonna fit either. This one ain't gonna fit. Yo, if you have a truck, hit me up, man. I need a friend. I need some friends that have trucks. That's why I'm trying to get myself some trucks right now, yo. They're awesome. She's awesome as hell. Come. When you come to Petco or PetSmart, come holler at her, man. She's awesome. She helped me last time I was here. They got the 55 gallon. Ooh, that ain't bad. We got the 55 gallon for how much? $139. Okay. How much is this? 20 gallon? 29 gallon. 109. Okay. 129 for 36. That's a big. I don't know. This side, yeah. We might have to go with the square joint though. 69. We got 69. 69 a good number. What's this? That's 20 gallon. So we got the 20 gallon for 69 for $70 pretty much. Shit, we might have to go with the 20 gallon, man. Yo, new setup coming up, y'all. New setup is coming right now. I'm about to go home and start going crazy on that new tank, man. We gotta switch up, bring the other tank back, return it. I keep my receipt. You know what I'm saying? You gotta keep the invoices, man. You gotta tax right off. Cha-ching. So I ended up getting this one right here. We got the 20 gallon 20 gallon tank instead of the 29 gallon. Yeah. Damn it, it won't fit in my trunk, man. Y'all need to hit me up with that 1 million subscribers, man, so I can go ahead and get this Jeep Trackhawk. Man, I need that 1 million subscribers. Make sure y'all smash that subscribe button, hit that like button, man. Share my videos. I gotta find a way to get this in the coop. We gotta get this in the coop. God damn. So what's up, guys? We made it back to the house. As you can see, kind of got a head start. I rinsed that sand off. We're gonna get some more sand in there maybe tomorrow or so to add to it. Started filling it up. I'm gonna keep going. We'll get the thermometer in there. So this kit came with a thermometer along with like the lid. So we're gonna get that set up, get that going. We're gonna get that set up, get that going, and we're gonna transfer. You're gonna transfer them in there within like 2-3 days. Oh shit! Damn, almost slipped. I like the rinse. Me being who I am, I like to rinse these off. So this is the filter right here. I wish I had like 2 sets of hands or arms. Get this. I guess this goes right here. This is the filter right here. So I rinsed it off and everything already. So you got the actual filter itself with the lava stones in there and whatnot. I'm not sure what this is. I guess the double filtration. So this gonna go back here. I think this is gonna go back here. And as you can see, it says minimum water level right there. Put it I don't know if you guys can see it. Just focus. So that says minimum water level right there. So we need to be at least, I want to say at least like right here above the minimum. So the minimum right here. So we need like a little more water in there. But I just want to get that set up first. So we're going to keep going. So next up right now, we're going to get the heater. We're going to get the heater. We're going to get the pump. We're going to get the, and we're going to, but we're going to get this set up in there next. So we're going to get that going right now. So let me go ahead and use both of my hands. Once I get done, but once I get far enough, I'm going to show y'all a little update. Y'all stay tuned. So what I end up doing was taking the other tank off the table and putting it down here, just so we're not like pushing it with the weight. But so we have 3 bags of sand in here right now that I just recently put in. So we're gonna let this run for the rest of the week. The pH level and everything is good. So far we have this in there. We actually, let's see, we actually purchased this top fin Lucky Bamboo right here to add to it, but after some extensive research, I realized that these plants cannot be fully submerged in the tank. If they are, they won't thrive or grow as much apparently. But and they grow a lot too, so this is not what we want to go with. So if anything, we might end up getting like a bush, some type of little bush type thing to throw in there. So I'm doing some more research right now that we're gonna get back to it as far as try to figure out what we want to go with. But this is 3 bags of sand. We're gonna add the other bag that's inside the other tank right now to it once we get everything filtered out. I can't wait. Look at how beautiful this looks, man. So clear. I've been wanting a sand fish tank for a long time, and it's happening. Guys, look at what I found. Hold on, let's see right here. Look at what I found, guys. It's the sea moss. It was the moss ball. Let's see. I was actually able to get the last 2 from the PetSmart, my local PetSmart. Alright guys, this is what it is right here. Can you see it? Let me see. Can you see it? Can you see it? Can you see it? There we go. There we go. So pretty much the moss balls right there. So go ahead and drop it in here. Drop it in there somewhere. Ball number 1. Look at this guy here. They be having so much fun with this little stunt. But you guys hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, man. Appreciate you guys watching. Until next time. Peace. Yo, we back at it. So guys, what I decided to do was move a few of the items from the small tank into the big tank. And we pretty much got to set up the stump is in here. We got the sea moss balls in here. You know, we got the jellyfish in here. And I just moved the smaller habitat there. You know, I put that in there. It seemed like our little fella there, the rainbow shark, it loves hiding and stuff, so it wasn't feeling comfortable without having the other stump in there. So I just replaced it with the smaller one, give it some time. So tomorrow we'll move these into the other tank within a day or so. Look at Molly. Look at Molly and Pinky. I see him. That's his spot. Don't mess with his spot now. Alright guys, so pretty much I seen that PetSmart, they just be putting some of that water in there. Boom. No, we don't want too much. And they just catch the little critters. Hey, playing, you still recording? Oh, what I'm about to say. Yo, the lobster, like, yo. Who said lobster ain't got no ups? Who said orange man can't jump? Look at my little buddy here. Where's the shark at? You still see? Oh, I got my hand. Ah! No, wasn't funny. Where's the shark? Yo, this thing is swimming with these. Are you recording this?
It's up there.
It's up in there. Look at the tail right there. It's up.
Oh,
there.
I see it.
Yo, it was not trying. It was trying.
So
it was not trying to let go.
Now is it in the thing?
It went in the net. See, the shark really likes being in. Yo, wow. Yo, the shark really likes being in like nice secluded areas, man. It like swims up with the joint just so it can have somewhere to hide. Shark, come on. Pretty easy. We got Gary right here. Let's get Gary in here. Alright, come on real quick, nigga.
Such a nigga.
Damn. Alright, guys. So we got a little dilemma right here, man. The shark is behind. The shark is behind the It's coming out. It's coming out. So I'm gonna try to bum rush it. Is it out? It's going. Let's keep going back in. There you go. There you go. There you go. There you go. I want it out for a bit. As soon as it comes out. Gotcha, sucker. Oh my god. Oh, there you go. There you go. I can't see it. I can't see it.
Gotta be quicker than that.
For real. Okay. It's gonna go. I don't want it to go back.
It needs some place to hide. That's why it's like tripping like that.
I know,
because it's all vulnerable.
Oh, got it. Got it. Sharky, sharky.
Alright, let's make this quick. Let's scare for them.
Alright, let's go.
All three of those.
Let's go.
Oh, Gary.
Yeah, you know, Gary like sectioning on stuff. Ooh, sorry, Gary. A big splash. Splash. Alright, guys. So come on with me. So pretty much the new home is ready. We're gonna get them adjusted to the water for about 15-20 minutes, and then we're gonna let them loose. We're not gonna put that water in here. We're just gonna like use the net to kind of like drain the water off. Then we're gonna let them loose in here to the new tank. Yeah, I see it. Look at them. They're gonna look beautiful in there. Here we go, guys. The first bag. We about to let them loose in the new tank. Let's go. Pinky's out. Molly's out. And Sunny's out. What do y'all think? What do y'all think, guys? You fuck with it? Molly like, nah, this ain't, hold up. I'm like, hold up. Like, hold up, nigga, we got
The shark is ready. The shark is ready.
Yo, Pinky over here going crazy in the space, cuz. We went and got like 4 more, I guess. You about to let the shark and the Larry and Gary. You about to let Larry and Gary out. Yo, the shark doesn't have a name yet.
Who you got your money on coming out first?
Man, you know the shark gonna come out first, no doubt.
Oh, I gotta bring it over here a little bit.
See. You got me with the thing back and forth, so.
Yeah.
The net, like, move it, like, no, I'm telling you, not lift, drop it down, like.
Well, no, I was trying to do that because of the lobster. I'm trying to move it around. Okay, there we go.
See.
You want to put them on the stump?
No, this how you do it.
Oh, okay.
You, like, move it back and forth.
I like that landing, Larry.
Yeah, right. Okay. That was a great spotting too, cause he over here by this one spot he like. So hopefully he stays there, and then he just stays at this spot.
What's Gary?
Oh shit.
Oh my gosh, you just forgot all about Gary.
Damn, we got Larry. We forgot about Gary. Hold the camera. Oh look, he just went in. He went in the hole. He went in this stump. Damn.
Gotta get the big. Gotta secure the big one first before you. I mean, because clearly the smaller one, he gonna have that one.
Of course, Gary the snail like to get stuck to stuff. Like to get attached to stuff. What's up, buddy?
I love his color.
Can you see? Let's see.
Yep. Low battery.
Alright guys, everybody in the new home, so we're gonna see how everybody get adjusted. Hopefully they like it. We're gonna give these fellas right here a couple more minutes, about maybe 10 more minutes, 10-15 more minutes, then we're gonna let them out too. But we're gonna keep y'all posted on how things is looking. Appreciate y'all watching. Subscribe. Hey, make sure y'all subscribe, like, and make sure y'all follow all my links in the description, alright?